Now we are going to look at hyperlink function. Hyperlink function helps to link a folder or link a workbook in specific cell. So now I'm going to show you how to link the folder. So before you enter the formula, whatever folder you want to link, just copy the folder path. So let me go to this folder. I'll copy the path. Then you use hyperlink. Hyperlink. So link location. So whatever path you copied, just enter within double quote, comma, whatever name you want to give for the file. So I'll give test folder. Then close the bracket. So both should be updated within double quotes. So now this is the file name. If I click, the folder will open. Again I show you. See. So now I'm going to link the workbook. So here probably I'll pick any sample file from here. So now I'll pick path, and then from this path I want this file to be linked. I'll go there, equal hyperlink, update the path, and don't close it. You have to update the file name as well, because now we are linking the workbook, slash, and then what is the workbook name? Sales report dot XLSX. So you have to include even the format. Close, comma, file name. I'll give sales report. Close the bracket. So now if you see, if I click this, the report will open, sales report. So this is the use of hyperlink. So using hyperlink, you can link the folder or you can link the workbook. Thank you.